everyone, welcome to the very last day of the 12 days of stickers. It's very sad that it's the last day, so if you haven't seen the other videos, make sure you check the playlist. I will make all of these in a playlist like I did with the previous years. Anyway, so this is the very last kit for the 12 days of stickers, and it is the Loft Vibes kit. Again, I did print out just the 4-page kit for myself and the washi sheet. So this is what the washi sheet looks like. And then we have the normal like 4-page kit. You can also get these in deluxe version or, you know, different planner sizes. For showing you guys purposes, I printed the kits that I would probably use myself. You'll probably see some of these in a Plan With Me's in next year's videos. So yeah, but this is the Loft Vibes kit, and it's a very neutral kit. You can use this obviously any time of the year, and I'm hoping you guys loved the 12 days of stickers as much as I love designing all of these kits for everyone. So if you still want to purchase one, you still have time to do so. Check the description for a link and also for the 12 days of deals for today. And thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone has a happy holidays. Bye everyone.